the one that looks hardest, that's the one you should pick and challenge. Because that's where the fun is. You pick the challenge. That's when you flex them muscles, and once you've overcome it, you feel like a champ. If you fall, does it mean you failed?
No, try again. Let me do it.
Go! Champion! What did you think when you turned up this morning?
I don't know. I didn't expect to be like this. It's quite fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, I thought it would just be boring like normal.
I'm the king of the world!
It's fun, it's challenging.
Go on, sir.
I thought we'd just be like doing like just like rock climbing and stuff. I didn't think it would be like how to like train our mind and stuff like that, and like how to make ourselves like challenge ourselves more.
I didn't think we was going to be doing that today.
So you was caught by surprise, weren't you?
Yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I think we're all learning quite a lot. You can do anything you put your mind to, and that like you shouldn't ever doubt yourself, because at the end of the day, you are able to do it, and if you test yourself, then you will be surprised by what you can actually achieve.
I think it's really good, this whole program.
Make your move. Yes! How do you feel now that you've done that? Look up.
I feel proud of myself.
You actually feel a bit speechless, don't you?
Yeah. I'm surprised I was able to do that.
No matter how hard anyone tries to get you down, you have to believe in yourself and get back up and try again.
It's not impossible to do whatever I want to do. I was feeling so afraid, but someone made me think that I don't need to be afraid, because it's just in my imagination. I don't need to be afraid of something which is not real.
When you ask questions to people, why do you call yourself useless? Why is it? It's pushed me like, you know what, like, I can do it.
Man. You might have been calling yourself something when you arrived this morning.
Yeah.
What are you calling yourself now?
Like, fighter, I can do it. Like, I can do it. I can do it.
My man, well done. What's been, let's say, the most important thing that you've taken away?
To not give up. Carry on going.
I feel better. I feel like I can do more.
Good man. Thank you.
I'd say pushing myself like out of my comfort zone, so I can like achieve the best of my ability, instead of just saying where my comfort zone is and not doing the best I can do.
I'll be a lot more focused. I know that.
In relations to giving up, that needs to stop. I need to think, try again, find alternative routes, then I'll reach the goal that I want.
Ask for help a lot more, and just be more confident within my answers, and not like be afraid to put my hand up because I'm scared of getting the answer wrong. And if I do get it wrong, then at the end of it, nothing can happen. Like the worst thing that happens is I can get corrected. Yeah.
Would you say this is a program that other students should do?
Yeah, I would encourage it. It's nice, it's relieving. Helps you out.
The more you try different routes and the more that you try, you'll reach your goal eventually. You just have to stay motivated and resilient.
Remember the wall, you can do it, you did do it, now apply this to your real life and everyday problems.